Subscribe to the channel, you heard? Man, if you're looking at this video right now, if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe to the channel, you heard? Make sure you drop a like, make sure you comment. I love all of y'all, but how do y'all want me to drop more content if y'all don't even subscribe? Boy, if you don't get... Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy KISO, and I'm back with a video. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all the transformation from... Hold on. What? It didn't work? Hold on. Did it work that time? Damn, I feel like a lot of hair. Let me see. You feel me? So one of my previous videos, I had did an unboxing on 360 Beehive butter. Matter of fact, it was this joint right here. So in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using this shampoo in my washing style. We're gonna see if it can lay this down. We're gonna see if we can go a crazy transformation for y'all. We're gonna see how this 360 Beehive butter hitting. So
sit your ass down.
as you can see right here, it's for all hair types. So that means the Latinos, we got the Chicos, the Chicas, we got the niggas, we got the white folk. You feel me? So we got it all. If you want that shampoo, all you gotta do is use the magical code that's gonna be in the description. You're gonna get money off on this butter. Did I just say butter? Off this shampoo. It's enough with the talking. I'm about to get straight into it. What we're gonna start with is I'm gonna get my nice little mist spray bottle. I'm gonna wet my hair. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna start with a nice little scramble wash. You feel me? So it's time to get some, feel me? Matter of fact, let's see what it's hitting like. Let's see what the smell hitting like. We say he got the peppermint and the tea tree oil in here. So hold on, let me see. This just like a candy cane. Y'all know the mints that's like those real soft mints, but they a little bit chewy, that be at your grandma's crib or be in a barber shop and you usually be grabbing a handful, acting like nobody don't see you, grabbing all the candy. That's what this smell like. Shampoo, y'all can see that. Hold on, I already got it in my hand. You see it's clear? Chill, cause y'all be doing way too much. First, let's see how the lather build up. You feel me? It's the first squash for real. But listen, y'all. When you are doing a washing style, your hair, when it's wet for the first time, the first wash is not going to lather. You're going to have to continuously add water and continuously add shampoo in order to get that lather. Or you could just scramble wash your hair, wash it out. Then you get back and get right with the get right, that's when you're going to have a better lather. So you feel me? I'm going to just keep applying. I'm going to see how much lather I could get off this first wash, because that's really going to, feel me, put this product to the test. Hey, yo! This spray bottle be cracking. Oh my god. If you want a spray bottle like this, go to SPI Styles, bro. Go to SPI Styles and use code KISO at checkout for a discount on this joint, because look. Damn, I just got hella. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see that? That's terrible. Don't let me do that. Why would y'all watch me and let me do that? Get all the shampoo in the spray bottle. Like, what's wrong with you? Why would you just watch it? Why would you just sit there and watch it? I ain't mean to hit y'all like that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna rub your head a little bit. My bad. I ain't mean to hit y'all like that. Listen, gang, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I typically don't even do this, but I want to see how my hair responds with this shampoo in my head to combing during this washing style. So I'm gonna comb first, and we're gonna get right. Actually, we can't write this whole video. That's what we're doing. So let's see what happens when we comb this. Oh my god, I got so much hair in my head. I don't even think combing gonna work. I see my curls popping though. Oh, that boy got some curls. Nope. I'm not doing it. Nope. Every time I try to do this, it gets in my eye. I don't know how y'all Corsair wavers be combing. Yo, nope. Not for me. KISO ain't doing it. Look at my head. Look at my head. Alright, gang, so I changed my mind. So I'm actually gonna go into the bathroom. I'm gonna wash this out, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna apply more shampoo, because that's usually how I do my washing styles. So I want to give this shampoo a fair chance. I don't want to go too crazy, too hard with it yet. I want to see how it actually works. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. My God, don't y'all hate when y'all washing y'all hair or something and it get in your eye, bro? I hate when stuff gets in my eye, bro. It could get the smallest thing in your eye. It feel like a big, humongous, ginormous boulder that's just suffocating your eyeball and you can't see nothing. All right, y'all, so that's about to get started with this washing style. And like I said, your hair lathers up more after you wash it. All right, so remember that, because your hair don't got as much dirt in it. That's why I just did the scramble wash. So I got a little bit more shampoo, and we're gonna see how much lather I can get off of this little bit of shampoo. You can see it lathered up in my hand real nice. But let's see what's going on with the, ooh, see? He hit on this one. He hit on this one. I ain't gonna lie, he hit on this one. Yeah. Y'all might wanna go, yeah. There it go. Hold on. Before we actually get started, I'm gonna go in with my Gold Angel detangling brush from SPI Styles. Man, this detangling brush is beautiful. If you need a detangling brush, I would highly recommend you get this one. Don't get any other one. Get this one, because this is the one that's gonna work. I use my detangling brush like how I could use a comb, you know, if it worked. Pick up my handy dandy hard brush. This is my wash brush right here, y'all. All right, so now I'm gonna get a little bit more shampoo in my hands, and I'm not gonna scramble it in. I'm gonna go with the grain this time. You feel me? Let's get that nice little lather going. A nice little lather. This is how y'all lay your hair down, y'all. This how you lay that. This is how you lay a 10+ week woof.
Move that behind like.
Alright, y'all, so my hair just dried out. I had to add some more water, but I still have the shampoo in your hair. So just always remember when you're doing a washing style and you got some shampoo in your hair, but it's not. What did I just say? What did I just say? Always remember, when you run out of water in your hair and you still have shampoo in your hair, the shampoo is still in your hair. It's just your hair is dry, so you just add more water. You don't always have to add more shampoo. If you looked at my page before, you know that I've used a peppermint shampoo before. Now, the difference between that peppermint shampoo and this peppermint shampoo is it's not going to have your head freezing cold.
You on the ground like. You on the ground like. Move that behind like.
Alright, y'all, so I just got done with the Beehive Butter Shampoo. And honestly, how I feel about the shampoo right now is it's a good shampoo, honestly. It's a good shampoo because it has everything that I like. It has the peppermint, it has the tea tree oil. Now, if you were to buy this, if I was to recommend anybody else to buy this, yeah, I would recommend this shampoo to all new wavers who are just getting into the washing style. Or I would recommend this to anybody that has a curly hair type. If you have a curly hair type, I would definitely recommend this for you. I'm not saying that people with straight hair types can't use it. I'm just saying I would recommend it to people with curly hair types because I have curly hair. So I don't have straight hair, so I don't know how it works with straight hair. So don't go crazy with me in the comments because I'm really not here for it. I really don't got the time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
If y'all want to see the results of this washing style, you're going to have to go to my Instagram page. It's going to be right here, or you can go to the link in the description. I'm pretty sure my Instagram is linked down there. I always link my Instagram down there. So Go over there, go see how the wash style turned out. But if you did like this video, make sure y'all drop a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm serious. Subscribe, because if I go back to my analytics and it says that 80% of y'all aren't subscribed, I'm gonna throw a fit. Other than that, I love all of y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. And I'm sorry for all the ads, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Bye.